Hey guys, recently I have purchased this RIDGID product, vacuum cleaner 6 gallon. Now, lot of RIDGID products nowadays come with this full lifetime warranty, but yes, you have to register within 90 days of purchase. So I found this. This is the website I'm gonna do and register, and I'm gonna show you how you can do it in case you buy a RIDGID product. Now, some products come with few years warranty, but with this, it's like amazing that it has got lifetime warranty with material defects and workmanship. Perfect. So definitely I'm gonna register. All right, so let's proceed, guys. Guys, when I open the site, I come here. Okay, so I have to sign in. So you see, for tools like pressing tool, drain cleaner, or wet dry vac, you have to click here. Okay, so here you're gonna create an account. So select your username, password, confirm password, and your address information. Any field that is optional is not mandatory. So it's up to you if you want to do, and then you can select if you want to receive something from RIDGID and click on submit request. Okay. Once it is successful, in the next screen, it will give you the method to register. So because I have already registered, so I'm going to log in and I'm going to show you there. Okay. Just hang out with me. So here begins the registration. When you register, select a category. So for me, it was like general purpose dry wet vac. So I have to scroll down, find product. Now be very careful. You should be aware of you can find the product code there itself. So this is the one that I have. Okay, 6 gallon and next, wait, serial number, model number optional, but I'm gonna do it. Why wouldn't I do it right? Okay. Date purchased, so it was place of purchase. I had purchased from Home Depot. See, these are optional fields, but up to you. See, but in any case, I'll register my serial number for sure, although it's like not mandatory. Did you purchase this tool online? I select yes. Who told? Peer recommendation. Yes, somebody I know actually recommended. And I'm gonna forward this video to him once it is produced, and I'm gonna seek his opinion that what he thinks about it. And he's gonna tell me if he watches the video full. Because if he doesn't watch it full and if he just sees the link and whatever, then probably he's not gonna find out that I have mentioned about him in this video, but I'm not gonna tell his name for obvious reasons. Okay. All right. Again, you want a promotion. I select no. Privacy policy. So I'm going to register the product by entering my serial number. So for me, the serial number was mentioned on the detachable cover itself. Okay. From there, I could pick it up. I have actually picked it up. And that I'm going to put over here. Okay. Yeah. So, okay, I'm going to do this and then I'm going to see you in the next screen. So the product has been registered. I did not want to show you my serial number. That's why I had taken a screenshot instead. If you go to the actions drop down, you have various options like service center or claim warranty or anything that you need support with. Okay, if you wanna register more product, you can click on this link, this button, register product, and you can register too. So that's how simple it is, guys. Let me know what you feel about it. Thanks for watching this video and please subscribe to the channel. Thank you.